Hello, this is gonna be my my recording for Project 4. Okay, so I'm probably gonna show all three of these at once because they're gonna happen fairly quickly. I'm gonna die pretty quickly because these enemies are vicious. So it says player UI shows health. I did show that from the last projects, but I might as well do it again. And lives for a remaining player. Game ends after lives are equal to or below 0. Player UI, weapon display. UI shows currently equipped weapon for player. Okay, so first, before I just jump in to the scene, where is it? Wait a second. Did I put you here? Where did I put you? It's a UI manager, but I'm trying to find I might as well go to the prefab so I can remember the name of the script. Okay, so you might notice that over there I put a sprite on top of the player. Basically, that will show for like 3 or 4 seconds to show which weapon you have equipped, but it won't stay there forever. Every time you switch, I changed the unequipped weapon to a switch weapon. Every time you switch to a different weapon using Q or E, right, it's going to show a different one. But I'll show that in-game. Where did I? Oh yeah, these two right over here, that's what I was looking for. These two are the slots. That is one slot with the AK-47, and this is the single-shot rifle, but they have different different icons. See, that one looks like that, and then that one, this one's the AK-47 one. But yeah, so I'm gonna do that. Let me just show. It's gonna show the icon when I get into here. Oh yeah, I have a start and quit button. Let me show that actually. So quits out. And then let me go back in. Start takes you to the actual game world. And see, it's showing the weapon I have. Oh, whoo! Let me get rid of him. He's kind of dangerous. Alright, okay, so Q, switch, and it shows a different icon. See? Okay, so let me go back out. Where's my rubric? Okay. So just show that. Shows health, lives remaining for. Oh yeah, so if I die 3 times, then it'll boot me back to the main menu because that's a loss. I'll just stand in one spot and die. Hopefully this guy shows up real quick. But yeah, it goes from green to yellow to red, and red is when you're about to die. Yep. See? After those 3, and let me show Game Manager. Basically, on energy here, if your health is below 0, on death invoke, right? And then it goes to destroy self, because that's what it's invoking when you die, right? And it'll go right here. Your lives are reduced by 1, and then you lose 5 of your score. The way that you win the game, that's my other mechanic, but the way you win the game is by getting 150 score. Then it gives you the victory. Okay, so destroy game object. And then right over here, yeah, that's where it is. Okay, so below or equal to 0 is a loss, right? And that's what boots you to the main menu over here. And victory is right over there, but it does the run win screen. I don't really have like UI for the win screen, but it does. I didn't know what to put for the win screen because I don't really have like an asset or anything. But let me just show you what's in the win screen, just so you know. It's kind of like a blank scene, kind of, because I don't know what to put yet, but I'm gonna put UI for that in the next project once I decide what actually looks good. Okay, so where's the rubric? Game pause, time scale. Oh yeah, I did both. Let me show you where that is actually. In the game manager, there's pause and unpause, right? So we set is pause to true and time scale to 0. And by setting time scale to 0, everything that uses like time.delta time is paused because you're multiplying all those things by 0. And then to undo it, you set it back to 1. And for is paused, basically for anything that has an update, let me go to something that has like the rifle, right? If game manager instance is paused is true, then return. It doesn't run any of this stuff in its update, and it'll just stop. But let me show that in game. And I've set it to P, by the way. If you press P while you're in the game, it'll just pause, and it'll show you this. See? Can't move around anymore. That guy stopped moving. But if I press this again, he resumes. Or if I just press P, yeah, then it'll go back. And main menu should go back to this menu. Okay. But yeah, that's those two over there. And then weighted drops. Oh, I'm doing this out of order. My bad. But that was the pause menu. Boolean pause, time.timescale. Weighted drops. Show and explain the use of a custom drop. Actually, you helped me with that. So let me just... You helped me with that today. Thank you, by the way. Where is it? System serializable. So basically, this is what's customizing, you know, the serializable list weighted class weighted drops. And I made a list of said class in, where is it? Where did I put that? Was in it? Yeah, in energy, right over here. And basically, through this function that returns an object, I use the well, I still use the random number, but I use the example in the shell that is a binary search right over here. And so let me go to the prefabs. Where is it? Okay, yeah. This right over here, these four are the items that could possibly drop, and these are their weights, right? So 10, 10, 20, and 50. This over here, Jack Diddley Squat, is just as the name suggests. It's Jack Diddley Squat. I made a empty pickup that drops literally nothing. Literally nothing. You just collide with it and it destroys itself, right? But I gave that a higher chance than everything else, just to balance out so that, you know, you don't get an item from like every single drop. But let me show this actually. And if you collide, if you get one of the guns, actually, now that you have both guns from start, you can just switch. So now if you run into one of the gun pickups, it just gives you more ammo. It doesn't give you another gun. Okay, so where is this guy? I think he's over there from that camera view. Where is he? He's gonna sneak up on me. Ah, dang it! Clicked off by accident. Okay, where is he? Where are you? Okay. Okay, so nothing from that guy. I might just be able to show the windscreen, actually. But yeah, there's a gun there. Collide with it and I get more ammo. Let me back up here before they get me. Up. Can't believe I'm still alive. Oh my god. No. Okay, so yeah, that's the windscreen, as you can see over here. So I managed to get enough points, but they barely dropped anything because the chance for it to drop nothing is pretty high. It has a weight of 50 and everything else is below a weight of 30. So, but I managed to get one gun drop, which gave me more ammo and allowed me to win the game. So, okay, let me go back. Weighted drops. Okay. Oh yeah, and I just showed the new mechanic. I'm pretty sure. Yeah, because the one for this week, a win condition for your game. Yeah, okay. Okay, so that was that. Thank you for listening, and thank you for helping me with the drops. That is my project.